Hello everyone, I am Giselle Tongi, also known as G Tongi, and I am an advocate of reproductive health, and I believe that in this day and age, 2012, no mothers should go without maternal health care. It's of utmost importance that we vote on this bill now. We cannot wait any longer. I am a mother myself. I'm very fortunate to be able to plan my family. I have a boy and a girl. Pero naman po, paano naman yung mga taong walang access po sa education at sa contraceptives to help them plan their family? I think that it's about time that we really discuss this topic. Like I mentioned, it's of utmost importance. Hindi na pwedeng maghintay. Tama na, masyado nang matagal na tayong naghintay dito. Ilan pa pong mga nanay ang mamamatay. Kung mahal niyo po ang Diyos, dapat po mahalin din po natin ang mga kababaihan. Dahil sa araw na po na to, 2012 na po, hanggang ngayon po marami pa rin namamatay na kababaihan na hindi naman dapat. At least 11 women a day die because of pregnancy-related complications. Hindi po ba dapat na itigil na to? We should help and do all that we can. The stalling of the RH bill, if you think about it, if you really think about it, it's a modern day form of oppression. We are oppressing our women. And not only our women, but our children. So, please, para nyo ng awa, vote for the RH bill now because we cannot wait. It's about time that we change this country so that we can move forward, so that we can compete with other nations. If you really love being a Filipino, let's give our families an opportunity to flourish by really planning their lives. Maraming salamat po. Ako po si Giselle Tongi. Sana po, common sense lang. Move forward with the RH bill now. Thank you.